Hey, we're back with Sarah and Bryan Baeumler from HGTV Canada. I am thrilled to see you guys are still together. I really am. I mean, I watch Island of Bryan, a lot of tension between you two. I mean, I don't want to blame people, I don't want to point fingers, but Bryan, clearly you have really struggled in the relationship.
I am the problem, most of the time.
What? That's half the way home to fixing it.
Yes.
Recognizing it's you.
Exactly.
On a serious note, you've had great success. I mean, I'm very proud of you. What a story. Your construction company obviously has done tremendously well, the TV shows, but there's a huge downside to all that success. Your friends recognize you're sharp, and they're going to want you to act as their executor. My advice as the Wealthy Barber is, don't do it. Run, don't walk, it's horrible. You have to take on all of those responsibilities. It's a burden. However, on occasion, once, twice in your life, you'll say yes. Family member, close friend, you'll want to be involved, they'll push you hard. When you get involved, you can get help. There are executors, helpers. There are agents for executors that'll take on some of the tougher tasks. Most Canadians don't even know that. Did you know that?
I didn't know that at all. We haven't been in that position yet.
Not yet. And I would look at it, I mean, take the job on and subcontract it to someone that knows what they're doing.
That's the kind of business savvy we were talking about. Yes. But that's exactly right. You are subcontracting some of the things you don't have the time to do, or frankly, the skill set or the experience. Do you want to handle all the details around probate?
Absolutely not.
Do you want to file all the foreign tax returns?
I don't even want to file them now.
Exactly. So when you guys go to build on your different sites, do you do it all yourselves or do you turn to professionals?
No, we find people that are better and more skilled and knowledgeable about the service that we need, and we put them in that position so we can focus on the things that we're best at.
Yeah, it's building a professional team.
Exactly. You've often turned to me to ask me for building advice.
All the time.
That's what you do with this type of thing, and I've said use the Phillips hammer.
Yes.
That to me is the key to success. If you're an executor, there's help available, turn to the professionals.